the CAT 854K, 844K and 834K. When trucks carry ore, occasionally some of it falls on the road, so it needs to be removed in time, as they can seriously damage the expensive dump truck wheels. The vehicle you see on the screen is ideal for this purpose. These are heavy but fast bulldozers produced by Caterpillar. There are 5 different models of these new wheeled bulldozers, 3 of which are shown in the video. They all have a similar design. The differences lie in the operating weight and dump capacity, which can be of 45, 31 and 22 cubic meters respectively. The manufacturer highlights the durability and maximum technical availability over the entire service life. These wheeled bulldozers ensure optimum performance and require less maintenance, ensuring efficiency and safety on site.